It is January 20th, 2026, in a world where we are going to research VDSO. So a couple of days ago, I was playing around with VDSO and I dumped the memory of the VDSO section, the map, from a running process, my shell process, into a file, and it's just like a valid ELF shared object. And so I got this idea that I wanted to record a video where I basically do that. Maybe do like a little preamble where I discuss like what VDSO is, like how it optimizes certain syscalls or makes certain syscalls unnecessary, and then dumping the ELF section, the ELF map, into a file, showing the symbol table for that shared object. And then I guess I should write these things out. So we say like preface about preface. Actually, I'll do it like this: what VDSO is, where you might encounter it, dumping the ELF SO into a file, and finally, or not finally, but one thing that I want to do is like show the symbol table, and then I want to disassemble, decompile with Ghidra. I think that would be fun. I haven't done that before, so just doing that I feel like would be a cool exercise and would allow me to understand the actual logic that's in these functions in the VDSO, which from what I understand is just reading from a memory mapped range for things like date and time. So decompiling or disassembling these, you should be able to see like where it's reading the memory from, and then maybe using GNU Poke. I saw another YouTuber was using that to probe around VDSO. Yeah, actually, you know, I feel like that one I don't really want to do as much, but disassembling it and seeing that it does memory reads would be cool. Yeah, and the idea being, once I kind of get some of this stuff written down into a script, then I would record this as like a YouTube video. It'd be my first YouTube video on this channel. So far I've just been live streaming, reading the Linux system programming interface and these morning streams. So I think it'd be nice to produce like an artifact that might be educational to someone, helpful to someone that is interested in VDSO or just interested in Ghidra. So yeah, that's kind of like the game plan. Develop a script. Let's see, write a script. And I also want to like figure out the format. Mobile, shorts, full video. And then I'll need to record a video and upload it. I might do this offline, just because I've never done it before and I don't want to necessarily spend my time on the stream doing it. So I might just do that offline. But yeah, I'll say VDSO video project thingy. So that's the top of my list for this morning. And then of course, reading the Linux programming interface, chapter 22 I think we're on. I did a little bit of reading this morning when I got up. I woke up at 2 a.m., had like a really crazy nightmare, and I couldn't go back to sleep, so I started reading the It's a good way to go to sleep if you ever in need of a sleep aid, non chemical sleep aid. You can just start reading the Linux programming interface. So yeah, resuming reading that, and I probably want to get to, I think we talked about getting, let's see, talking about getting to what chapter? So we're in 22 now. I read the core dump stuff this morning, so getting through timers and sleeping. So 22 and 23 would be the goal for today. Yeah, that sounds like a good little agenda. And then I also have a meeting this morning. Oh, shit. Alright, I need to clean up this mess I made. Well, that's fun. I just spilled all my matcha all over myself. I feel like this is a hazard for any IT employee, IT worker. So eventually you spill your coffee or your tea all over yourself. Occupational hazard. Well, I guess it's good that I got this mat that absorbed most of it. Alrighty, it missed all of my electronics, which is great. It's actually not that bad. Well, that was a fun bath, matcha bath. Did not plan for this to be a matcha bath stream, but it is what it is. Alright. I guess the worst damage is to my books I had on my desk here. I guess that's not that bad. Gives them some character, you know? Alright. They're good. The desk is good. The only thing that's really bad is it got all over my chair into the cushions, which I don't know how to clean. But I will do my best. Alrighty. Well, that was exciting. Oh, well, I got my heart rate up. Alright. I guess I should finish the rest of this. Morning matcha bath. That's what that was. Alright, so the VDSO thing. Reading these 2 chapters. and then I was checking in on my morning meeting. All right. So I don't want to miss that. I have a meeting in 30 minutes. I think this would be a good amount to have accomplished today. So today is Tuesday. Wednesday I have the day off from training in the morning. But what I want to do is I want to, instead of focusing on more reading streams, I want to have at least one stream. Plan for at least one stream tomorrow where I work on the media proxy. This is a project that I kind of been putting on the back burner for the past couple weeks. It's been about a month actually since I did any serious work on it, and I want to resume working on it. I had some new ideas for things that I want to do with it, but generally just sitting with the project on a stream and getting some work done, I think would be really positive for me, because I'm the type of person that starts projects and then gets distracted. And given that I've gone through a distraction phase on this project already, I kind of want to see if I can come back to it now that it's been a few weeks of distance, and take all those ideas that were bouncing around in my head and actually implement them, instead of letting them persist as ideas forever, you know. So I think that'll be the goal for tomorrow. I'm not going to do it today because I did want to get these 2 chapters read on this. And I think this is a good amount of work today, and I'm really excited about doing this VDSO video. So I think that'll be enough for today. Cool. All right, well, I'm going to finish cleaning up my desk here and get a shower and get some breakfast in me, and then I'll be back on. It's 8:30 now. Probably I have my meeting at 9, so I'll probably be back on around 10 in the morning. So about an hour and a half. All right, cool. I'll be on then.